Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make the coastal Mediterranean villa design in SketchUp. And anyway, I have already make it around 30 minutes and I speed up it into the 8 minutes approximately. Okay, for the first step, I make the rectangle in here with using the rectangle tools in SketchUp in here, and I scale it to adjust about the size and also the proportional of the line in here. And I make the basic plane with the rectangle and also push it up and multiple it into the two floor in here, and I make the connected slab in here on the middle of between the both of the meshing in here, and I add more floor in here. I add one floor more in here to make it more gigantic and monumental of the villa design building in here. Okay, now and I make the perimeter of the wall with line, and I offset it inside to make the wall, and I put the dimension in here to make it more clear enough, and I put the dimension for show as for the elevation for every single floor in here, and for the thickness of the every single floor. So for the thickness of the floor is around 300 millimeter in here. Okay, and after that I make the pattern. I make the pattern of the Mediterranean design. I use the tab master tool and also the rectangle, and all I combine it I combine it with the 2-point arc in here, and I push it to the behind in here. I cut the line I cut the line and push it to the behind until it will become the openings of the Mediterranean concept in here of the front facade in here. Okay, and I adjust about the slab for every single slab in here, and I make the void in here. Okay, and I offset it inside in here to make the frame of this villa design in here. I make the frame of this window in here, of this Mediterranean window, curve facade window in here, and I make the glazing to make it more representative with the glass on the realistic, and I adjust about the background and also the sky color of the SketchUp in here to make it more highlighted well about this building in here. Okay, and after that I adjust about the horizontal frame to make the divider, to make the vertical divider of the glazing in here, so it would be more representative about the technically frame design of this door and also the window in here. Okay, and and after that I adjust again. Okay, about the top wall opening in here. I make the midpoint between the three of this opening, and I duplicate the curve window opening in here on the top in here, and push it to the limit and push it to the limit in here, just like this. Okay, and after that I make the another frame in here. I copy the perimeter of this one and push it to the behind in here. Okay, and after that I push it up in here and move to the position just like this. Okay, and after that I select the perimeter of the line in here, and I paste in place in here to make it more representative thickness of the glass in here, and place it to the position in here. Okay, just like this, and after that I make the another elements like a roof, but I make the perimeter first in here because the perimeter is very important to determine about the roof concept and also the design. So I prefer the middle meshing of this building. It has the highest roof elevation in here with the shield roof. Okay, with the shield roof concept design in here, and I put the main entrance main entrance in here with the gigantic door, with the gigantic main door in here. So the door is around 8 meter approximately, 8 meter height, 8 meter tall approximately in here for the door in here. And I put the another materials, especially with the rustic wood materials in here, and I put more openings. I put more the curve openings in here, and I paste in place and make the opening and push it to the limit in here to make it more representative opening in here. So it's not only the opening, but it also the daylighting system in here. So the room inside is not lack of the daylighting in here. So it has the well lit position, and I make the extension of the roof in here, okay, around 1 meter, and I make the 45 degree of the angular in here, and I make the 35. I make the 35 angular inclination of the roof in here. Okay, just like this, and I make the another roof to the another meshing in here. I make the another roof on the another meshing in here, just like this, and just place the position in here, and just place and duplicate in here and multiple in here. So this is about the basic meshing, and I put the another materials of the roof in here, and I make the canopy in here, and I put the dark color canopy because it will make it more iconic, and also the contrast with the another wall or existing wall color in here. So it would make completion. It would make completion of the elements, the architectural element, especially on the front facade element in here. And I make the thickness of the wall in here to make it more representative and make it more elegance of the Mediterranean concept in here. And I put the another elements in here. I put the another wood element in here, and I decorate the wood in here into the appropriate profile, the curve profile in here. Okay, and I make the basic shape of the swimming pool in here, and I make the curve for every single corner of this swimming pool design in here. Okay, and after that I make the another one in here. Okay, I make the another curve decking in here, just like this, and I put the grass in here, and I put the grass in here, and I put the plants area in here. So this is the basic shape, and I put the another vegetation in here on the appropriate position, and I scale it down in here and explode the tree to make it more representative with the plants, with the small plants in here, because the plants are not only the high tree, but it also the small plants and several plants in here. So I put the another plant on the appropriate place, so it would make it more green, have a green area in here. And I make the another thickness again for the facade in here, especially for the bottom facade or of the ground floor facade in here, to make it more gigantic and proportional look in here. Okay, I think that was the finalize of this, and I adjust about the slab in here for every single position, and I adjust about for every single silhouette people in here. Okay, just like this, and I about setting up about the shadow in here. Okay, and this is the final result in here, and I put the shadow into the appropriate shadow. So I make sure that the shadow, it could be highlight shaping of this building, about the details of this building, especially about the openings with the curved openings in here. And this is a top view with the roof, and the proportion between the side and also the building in here, proportion about the building and also the swimming pool area in here. And so this is about the final result, and so you can try to make the own Mediterranean concept on this SketchUp software. Thank you for watching.